situation wasn't right. Rolling 3 L's to make it through the night. Like all my fam wants to do is fight, chasing all my dreams that will always leave me drained. Steady saying fuck it while the suckers just complain. Living life ducking all the police in the rain. Just counting all my ducats while the homies sniff the cane. Got a couple brothers in the celly doing life biz. Free the homie chinks in the nigga cow crib. Can't be living all my life making dumb decisions. I'd rather see my mission than just chase it with precision. I'm sick that every year I'm seeing losses, seeing crosses and funerals of bosses. Grinding every day so we can see the change. Rhyming every day to relieve the pain.
Grinding all night, grinding all day, just to show the world it's the music that we make. Grinding all night, grinding all day, just to show the world it's the music that we make. Grinding all night. So what's the deal with these rappers spitting game?
Young boy, I'm getting fucked up, I wanna die, but I can't decide if it is I already fucking died. Fuck the police, bitch, I know my fucking lines. Lines of gunpowder, cocaine in my bullets. Go pick a flower for a pretty bitch, I wouldn't fucking do it. Smoking on the tree, something you already knew. Since we asking questions now, no, not on the fucking proof. Huffing glue, candlelight blue. I thought you knew.
Pretty bitches with me cause I keep this shit 100. Start the flexing on these bitches, then I get the buzz. Sipping Robitussin with my motherfucking cousin. Got me fucked up cause I do it how they does it. 2 phone shorty with a bitch on both lines. 2 hoes only cause I never got the time. White trash out the slime. Codeine soda with the line on the Japanese time when I'm smoking on the pine. Bitch.